In my opinion, if there is one source that you need to refer compulsorily, and even if you skip all the other sources in the world, you must not skip this if you are preparing for UPSC civil service exam. That is previous year questions. In ethics, I can give it to you in guarantee that if you put your head down and if you work tirelessly to just solve all the previous year questions that UPSC has asked, since the pattern of the examination changed in 2013 to include the new paper of ethics, integrity, and aptitude, you will be in a very solid position as far as paper 4 is concerned. This applies to all the other papers too as well, paper 1, 2, 3, etc. But specifically, paper 4, if you cover and if you are able to solve all the questions that UPSC has asked in mains from paper 4, I guarantee you, you will not score anything less than 100 in ethics paper. This is something that I am 101% sure of, because you would find, and I hope that you have seen some of the questions that UPSC asked related to ethics paper. Many of the themes, many of the concepts, many of the ideas are repeated year after year. Only thing that changes is language. Only thing that changes is the way UPSC packages that concept. So even if you look at case study portion, you will find that the case studies, the basic issue still remains to be the same year after year. There will be very few years जहाँ पे आपको एकदम कोई बहुत ही out of the box question मिल जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही सारे क्वेश्चन एकदम repetitive form में या repetitive theme से पूछे जाते हैं. But a lot of questions that will be asked in paper 4, you will find that they are more or less a refurbishment of what has been asked earlier.